A sneeze is an incredible burst of energy, a rapid expulsion of air that can shoot out at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. It's our body's way of kicking out irritants like dust and pollen. When you feel that tickle in your nose, your chest, diaphragm, and abdomen are all gearing up for action. In just a split second, thousands of tiny droplets are launched, sometimes reaching up to 30 feet away. That's why it's crucial to cover your mouth and nose. Those droplets can carry germs and spread illness. It's fascinating how this natural reflex not only surprises us, but also protects our respiratory system. The next time you sneeze, remember the remarkable power behind it.